Hey guys, thank you for coming to this video. So I am doing another giveaway. I'm so excited. I'm going to be showing you all about this new JACLYN Hill palette and putting some eyeshadow on and telling you all about the giveaway. So if you guys want to see about that, let's get into it. I saw that JACLYN was coming out with a volume 2 of her palette and I was so excited because I love the first one so much. I recently have been doing some fun projects with my palettes. So instead of just giving away the palette, I thought I'd make it a little more special, and I actually did some epoxy and glitter on the front of it. Don't know if you could see. If you can't see it that great, I'll insert some clips. It makes it so beautiful. I'm obsessed with it. It makes it so smooth and just extra pretty. I don't know. I can't get over it. So I'm so excited that I'm giving one of these away to you guys. This is the one that I'm giving away right here. So I have not touched the shadows. The shadows are untouched, unswatched. I just did the pretty front for you. So I'll just set that back here. So this is mine. I did the same thing, but I want to show you guys what this palette looks like because it is beautiful. Like, look at all that pinky, purpley, reddy goodness. It looks so pretty. I cannot wait to try it. I have not touched it. I've not swatched it yet, so I'm so excited. And this is the Morphe and JACLYN Hill Volume 2 palette. I don't think I said that. And it's available online or at Ulta. I want to say it's $38. Which for a palette this size and this good, that's not bad at all. We'll get you guys zoomed in and I'm just gonna do some eyeshadow and see how it turns out. All right, so I'm gonna try to be a little more colorful than normal because when you have all these colors, why not? I think I'm gonna go into this orange called Feeling Myself on a fluffy brush. Yeah, that is orange. Wow, that's orange. Well, that is some orange shadow if I've ever seen some. I mean, that blended really nice. Sometimes with really bright, more neon colors especially, it can look really patchy and just not look good at all. So this formula just blends so nice. Because one thing about bright colors is if you do it and it's not applied well, like if it's choppy and patchy or just uneven, it just doesn't look good. Like if you're gonna go bright, you need to it needs to be really clean and sharp or really blown out and blended, or else it's just not gonna look good. Take a smaller brush. I'm gonna go into just the one under Positivity, and it's very similar to the shade I already did, just like more pink. Wow. Okay, I'm going to take another kind of small fluffy brush. I'm going to go into this like more little bit darker pink called Dance Party. Then going in with this deeper shade, Crazy. Then taking that same shade under the eye. Then I'm going to use the shade I'm In It for a brow bone highlight. And taking some of that first shade, the orange shade underneath my eye as well. Then I'm gonna go into the glittery shade, GRWM, right here. Then I'm gonna take the glitter shade Rider Diamonds right here. And I think that's about done. I'm gonna go finish up some liner and lashes and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, this is the final look with liner and lashes. I think it turned out really cool. I mean, it's definitely a lot brighter than I usually wear every day, but I just had to test out these colors and they're so nice and blendable. They really show up on your eye what you think they're gonna show up as. Like, it doesn't look bright and then you go to put it on and it's just kind of faded. It looks like it looks in the pan, which is really nice. I think I'll be able to do some really cool, fun looks with this palette, just testing it out and stuff, but this is just what I created the first time. Let me zoom you guys back out and we can talk about the giveaway. All right, so all you need to do to enter to win this palette is be following me on Instagram, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and comment on this video. Just comment why you want to win this palette and you'll be entered to win. For extra entries, if you just tag somebody on my giveaway picture on Instagram, you can do that as many times as you want and that'll be as many extra entries as you want. So this giveaway will end March 10th. I will announce the winner on my Instagram and send you this beautiful palette. And I'll have all the giveaway information down below as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you're excited to get this palette or win this palette. Please enter the giveaway and I will see you in the next one. Bye.